Design of it's pretty simple. I think the only hard part about it was the coding. Push a key, play sounds. It plays two different. If we had more time, we could load up more sounds, but right now it just does drums and piano. So.
Or with even more time, change it so that the keys light up to show you how to play something. So right now it's on drums. And we only loaded up 2, but the other one would be piano.
Can you play
There we go. A2, okay. There's a bad connection in the mic. That's definitely what it was, because I just like turned it on.
You're in the mic.
There we go, we got D flat. This note is probably not on.
Yeah, that's how I feel.
Cool.
So this is our little musical robot. It responds to sounds. Just play your sound into the horn of this majestic unicorn. And it responds to 4 different notes, some of which are the human voice that currently I hit with my voice because it is turning on. And it goes back. So Chad will demonstrate.
Quiet, everyone.
That's the forward motion. That's turning one way.
And stop.
Stopping.
Sweet.
Nice.
Cool. So let's just wait for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, it reaches the early time you need to get out of bed. So the accelerometer in the bed will start to detect if there is any motion in bed. And if there is, it will set off the alarm. Yeah, so the alarm...
Just really click.
Oh, yeah, so alarm goes off.
And the vibrator is going off as
And
well.
the vibrator is going off.
If you put your head down, you can feel it.
Feels pretty weird. You feel it.
And if you look over there, you can see that our hot plate is now on and the eggs are now cooking. And so if you don't wake up 1 minute after this alarm goes off, we have a capacitor that begins to charge and 2 plates. So the original idea was to set up a taser along your skin that will shock you out of bed in the morning. But due to safety concerns, we decided to merely just discharge it in the air and create sparks.
Capacitor is charged, and now it will scare you out of bed.
So in order to disable the alarm, you have to high-five this plank of wood with a hand on it. So we go like this, the alarm turns off, the capacitor stops charging, the vibrator turns off, but your eggs are still cooking.
The idea is that you're in the middle of the ocean and you're sailing your boat and you want to go downstairs, use the bathroom to get a beer or whatever. And so you can what we have is a digital compass, and on here you can choose your heading. You can choose what heading you want to go. So when you pick one, this is your desired heading. So the other motor tries to engage to increase the speed. So if you turn it, the motors change and control your steering. So you hear the other motor going louder now because it's going off course. And when you get back on course, it should slow down. Depending on if you're in the right direction.
Our compass is really sensitive, so
it takes 3 seconds for the compass to figure out what heading you are. We had to go with our budget compass.
I mean, how many times have you gone to a gumball machine and didn't have a quarter? So this one you don't even need it. So you do the secret knock. And voila, you get a gumball. Wait, so the nice thing about this is that not only can you get one gumball out of there and one gumball out of here, but you can also get both at the same time. And who knows, you might just forget what your secret knock was, so you can even reprogram it with these buttons right in front. Yeah, that was way too complicated.